Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster in Toca Boca. To begin your culinary adventure, head over to the Toca Boca grocery store. You will find the lobster conveniently located in the freezer section. After acquiring your main ingredient, make your way to any kitchen area. There, you will need to find a cooking pot and a stove. Don't forget to grab any extra items like a pat of butter or a fresh lemon for added flavor. Now that you have your lobster and cooking equipment, it is time to get cooking. Simply drag the raw lobster and place it directly into the pot on the stove. Next, tap the stove to turn it on and start the heat. Watch closely as the lobster transforms, changing its color to a vibrant red, which signals it is perfectly cooked. Once it has changed, you can remove your delicious creation from the pot. With your lobster cooked to perfection, it is time to serve it up. Drag the lobster onto a plate to prepare it for your character. For an enhanced dining experience, consider adding a small side of melted butter or a fresh lemon wedge. You can also pair your lobster with other delightful Toca Boca foods, like a crisp salad or some warm bread, to create a truly satisfying and complete meal for your character to enjoy. Finally, the best part, enjoying your hard work. Have your Toca Boca character take a bite of the delicious lobster you meticulously prepared. Feel free to experiment with various food combinations and discover new, exciting recipes within the game. Share your fantastic culinary creations with other characters, perhaps hosting a small dinner party. Keep exploring all the wonderful cooking possibilities Toca Boca offers, creating countless delightful meals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.